Welcome to the imported new Huawei Nova 11i, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while empty space with our finger or just to pinch to customize our home screen. So after that you'll see here service widgets section. Just tap on it and you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which widgets you could add. For example, we could see that the weather application gets 3 different types of the widget. The calendar gets 8, 9. So let's use one from these available calendar widgets. So let's add this one. Just click add to home screen, and now we can see that widget successfully added. If you wanna move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Also, if you wanna tap here, change this widget, for example, hold it for a while and click here to more service widget, and so you could switch your widget or to add a new one. And just, for example, if you wanna remove it, you should just hold it and tap to remove icon by this way, and then confirm your action by tap to remove. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.